Is it good? Is it good? This is your first food. Oh, this is your first food. Oh, we are just making a mess.
See, that's what it's all about.
Oh, she loves it. Oh. Okay. There's more.
Did we even doubt that she wouldn't like it?
Oh.
So funny.
Are you laughing? This is fun.
She says, maybe I'll just have some of that chocolate cake then later.
Is that Daddy's birthday cake? Yeah. Would you like more?
Just think it won't be long and she'll be putting her hand in her first birthday cake.
Oh, my big girl. Ah! Oh. We are just making a mess.
See, just wait until I get some of that orange stuff and green stuff.
Yeah,
then
then
we
we
really make a
veggies.
mess.
Yeah, then we see it coming out the
I
other end.
I was just gonna say the same thing.
Gross.
I'm like,
Oh,
"Ooh." We won't blame Mommy's guacamole then, will we?
No.
We'll just say that's our peas. Is
That'll
it good,
be
Lila
all my
Pie?
veggies.
Huh? Is it good? Look at that hand.
Okay. There's more. Oh.
I have never seen a child so excited.
Okay.
Is that good, Lila? Tell Sandy Tell Sandy, how does it taste? Does it taste good? Tell Mommy.
Oh, this is so cute.
Yes.
This is so sweet.
She's just...
Okay.
Yum, yum, Lila.
Yay. What is in my mouth?
This is that new feeling of a spoon, too.
It's exciting, isn't it, Lily? Oh. There's more. I promise there's more. Oh. Look at her pushing my hand.
She is. She's just not get it.
Oh.
Enough of it.
Got the tongue in the way. There we go.
Boy, she certainly knows how to take it.
This is our first time. This is so exciting. Would you like more? Would you like more?
You don't have to ask me twice, do
Did
you?
we say more, please?
Yeah, there you go. More.
More, please. We should take some pictures too.
You want me to stop this and take some